Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Moonbeam, or Glmr, which we'll call it in this video. Wanted to do an update because it actually has been able to keep its support levels. Here you can see the level between 22 and 22.5 cents has actually successfully held. So there's still actually potential for a continued rally, which is quite interesting. That's what we'll talk about in this video, the different possibilities, and is it actually likely that it will rally again, or am I just saying that so that you will watch the video? Who knows, right? But we'll talk about that. And just a quick preview or sneak peek. Yes, it is actually possible that Glmr will rally higher towards 27.5 cents and perhaps even 30 cents. All right, so before we dive into that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, including also when I take a trade on Glmr. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Glmr or Moonbeam. All right. So first of all, some statistics I wanted to take a look at, which I think are very important. Are open interest and volume, which have actually over the majority of the time until about 6 hours ago in the middle of the night have grown. All right, the volume has grown a little bit longer until, well, 3 hours ago or something. So yeah, very bullish. But what we've seen since is that the open interest and the volume have fallen flat. They haven't decreased, but they've fallen flat. So that's neither bullish nor bearish, all right? Because it's bullish if it's going up, because that means that there's still momentum. That it's no longer growing is not great, all right? It actually decreases the chances of a bullish breakout. But in general, Glmr right now is still very bullish. And the thing is, and we'll dive into the technicals a little bit later because the technicals are important too. But the thing is right now is that, oh, this has actually changed. That's pretty interesting. The funding rates for Glmr were actually quite high. And right now they've decreased. Here you can see they were very high, around minus 0.5%. For the entirety of yesterday, but now they're actually pretty low. So usually that means that it's that people buy more, all right, because it's encouraged that people will buy it if the funding rates are high. So now that the funding rates are lower, I'm actually not sure what will happen with Glmr, because they were higher when I did the analysis. And I wanted to say, because of the high funding rates, then it's stimulated that people will go long, and therefore, and together with Glmr being able to hold its support levels, especially between 22 and 22.5 cents, which is the strongest support level it has. Together with that, I'd say it's more likely to break above its main resistance around 25 cents and rally up higher towards 27.5 and 30 cents. That's what I wanted to say. But for now, I'm going to have to say, because I always want to be honest, it's really 50-50. All right, the main support level right now, like I said, really is 22 cents. So technically what I would say is that Glmr is stuck between this level between 22 cents and 25 cents. And whichever level breaks first is going to determine what happens next. Because like I said, I mean, most of the stats here just are neutral. And given the funding rates, I would even lean towards being a little bit more bearish, to be fair. So right now, main thing to do is wait for that breakout. If we break above 25 cents on the 1 hour time frame, great, we'll rally up higher. If we break down below 22 cents on the 1 hour time frame and we do not instantly regain that level, then it's over. And we'll drop down to 20 cents and then eventually even down to like 18 cents, probably with some support along the way. So yeah, that's what we're going to have to work with Glmr right now. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.